Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Zila and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So I had a very impromptu haul, and as you can see from the title of the video, it was from Hermes. So I just wanted to quickly unbox these for you so you can see exactly what I picked up from Hermes. So here is the first item. So here it is, a Calvi car holder in a pink color in the chevre leather. It opens up like so, and it says here Hermes Paris, made in France, and it has two sections for cards on this side, and it folds up like so. And the other item that I picked up is the Bearn card case with the gold hardware. And if I open that up, there is a card slot here and a card slot here, and one in the back and at the front. I believe this color is called the rose lipstick color. So I know the lighting is not very good. However, I still wanted to reveal this to you before I use this. I haven't found too many reviews of this item online, so once I've had a chance to use this a bit more, I'd like to share with you what my thoughts are. So that is my review for today, and if you have any questions, please do leave them down below, but I look forward to giving you a review once I've had a chance to use this over a period of time. Have a nice day!